Bakker, naturopath. Thanks for coming back. Let's talk about salad dressings. I'm going to show you guys all these different salad dressings I make up. Not now, fortunately, but I make up all sorts of salad dressings. So I like them to smell great, look great, and taste amazing. And it's not hard to do. Some of my favorite ingredients for salad dressings obviously would be Bragg's apple cider vinegar. Okay, but I also like using various olive oils. I've got a collection of about 10 different olive oils I like to keep in my pantry. And some are stronger, have got a real bite. Others are more florally, have a smell, like a more citrusy smell, and others are quite bland, depending on what I'm using. Olive oil is wonderful for the gut, anti-inflammatory. I use turmeric, often turmeric powder, and sometimes raw, grated or shaved turmeric. Turmeric and ginger, same family, slightly different, but both good anti-inflammatories. So ginger I use very frequently in salad dressings, particularly if I do an Asian sort of fusion kind of a salad dressing. Garlic goes in every salad dressing I make, usually 1 or 2 cloves very finely chopped. So a classic combo that everybody's familiar with would be lemon juice, olive oil, Celtic sea salt, freshly ground pepper, and then maybe I'll throw a particular herb in there. So if you've got a yeast problem, I cannot recommend enough for you to grow oregano, marjoram, thyme, basil, and rosemary. Did you get that? Listen back. Those are the key herbs, okay? I grow a very strong spicy oregano as well as a normal one. So the spicy one is very powerful. So you go, it's almost like it's like the hot. So it contains really good levels of various ingredients that got a powerful effect on cleansing the gut. Now, if you go to your plant nursery or have a look online, you will find a pungent, strong, quite a strong oregano. Now, you can get them. And you can even steep a handful of this oregano in a small jar of olive oil. Leave it there for about 6 or 8 weeks. Squeeze it out, okay? So what you've done, you've got a lot of the actives you've actually moving into the oil. You know, it's an extraction process, and it gives the oil a delicious flavor. You can do that with any herb, but especially oregano, you'll find very tasty. Put a bit of garlic in there. So these are great salad dressings. So keep that bottle and then label it. So yogurt can be a salad dressing. You know, you can make up an aioli. You know, you can put a bit of garlic in there. Sauerkraut can be used for salad dressing. It's wonderful. Another one of my favorite approaches is use lime juice and then maybe a small handful of like a really nice sprouts. And it can be like the mustardy sprouts or mung bean sprouts, adzuki beans, or things like this, some kind of sprout. Mix that with a bit of lime juice, salt and pepper, drizzle of olive oil again on top of that. Very simple. Keep it simple. But balsamic vinegar, if you get a really nice Italian balsamic vinegar, also not bad for the tummy. So yeah, but look at the anti-inflammatory properties of things like garlic and ginger and turmeric. They're often good adjuncts to put in there. The nicest combinations are often fusions where a bit of citrus, a little bit of citrus is in there, a bit of fat, and something with a bit of bite. I find that quite nice. I usually never store salad dressings. I make them fresh on the spot, put them in the salad. Whatever's left over, I throw away. I never, ever keep anything for the next day. Everything's binned. Everything has to be fresh. So remember, garlic, the herbs that we spoke about, olive oil, sauerkraut, Bragg's apple cider vinegar, balsamic vinegars. Don't use plain vinegars. They're not really the best at all. Okay, they're not really made properly. They're made commercially, so good for sort of things like cleaning stains and stuff like that. But I wouldn't really use normal sort of cheap vinegar in any kind of cooking. Okay, it's not hard to make a salad dressing, and it really gives your salad a lot of zing and flavor. When something tastes great and looks great, you're going to want to have it again and again and again. No different from going to Macca's, you know, the Golden Arches for your fries and Coke. You'll be rejecting all that crap and you'll be eating nice salads because they taste good. Don't forget to use salt. It's a really good ingredient. Don't be scared of salt. Thanks for tuning in.